Now the month of August is almost coming to an end. We are going to the last week. In fact, it is ending on a Saturday, meaning that on Sunday we can expect to see the deliveries coming from some of our favorite EV stocks like NIO. Now last year in August of 2023, NIO saw total deliveries for August of 19,329, representing 81% increase year over year. Then now this year it means that any number over this 19,329 will be an increase compared to last year August. And as I've been saying in a couple of my previous videos, I still think that NIO will sell over 20,000 deliveries even for the month of August, which we look forward to, because if they don't, they might deliver lower than the kind of deliveries we saw last year in August, and this is the 19,329 deliveries. So Sunday, it might be that day where we get to see NIO announcing these deliveries, or Monday. I don't know if they will come on Sunday or if we'll get them on Monday, but of course we look forward to these figures, and as they come we'll definitely bring them to you. So I look forward to the kind of deliveries that NIO is going to produce or report. But the good thing that gives me courage that NIO is going to deliver yet another over 20,000 deliveries is, number one, NIO has been consistently delivering over 20,000 deliveries in the last 3 months, and the orders that have been coming onto NIO, they have not been showing any signs of slowing down, which therefore chances are we might see this month of August yet again, like the other 3 months, NIO delivering over 20,000 vehicles, which will be so amazing, so incredible to see NIO achieving that 20,000 or over 20,000 4 months in a row, which we look forward to, right? So I'm happy, I'm excited. I know when looking at the insurance registrations, it might not be looking like NIO will get that, but based on the total cumulative deliveries they had from the 1st to the 18th were around 10,600 or over 10,600, I believe that we are going to see NIO delivering over 20,000 deliveries this month. So this is my prediction. This is what I am expecting to see from NIO, and I don't think NIO will be targeting to deliver below the kind of deliveries they saw last year, because if they do that, if we're to see that, guess what is going to happen? All the short sellers are going to celebrate like NIO, it's done, it's going down the drain. And even if it happens like that, and we see NIO delivering lower than what they delivered last year, it's not a train smash, guys. I mean, this company has showed us that it has improved. The 10,000 that we used to see last year most of the times is the new 20,000. NIO is able to deliver 20,000 vehicles, and this is what they've proven to us in the last 3 months. And therefore I have no doubt that they might do it again, even if they don't do it in August, or August they fall short, but September, trust me, NIO will definitely go back to the over 20,000 deliveries. So cross fingers, we get 20,000, and if we had to get that, the market sentiment will continue changing around NIO. We are going to see more people coming back to NIO, because NIO is showing a good trace of what so many people, even some of the retail investors, were not expecting to see. I mean, when we saw the first over 20,000 deliveries coming in May, so many of the investors said NIO is not going to deliver 20,000 for the month of June. It happens in June. NIO is not going to deliver over 20,000 for the month of July. It happened again in July. So I think this belief that we see from investors will always be there. But what NIO is proving to us is that NIO is a new company. Things have changed. They are able to sell 20,000 deliveries on a month to month, which therefore it is for that reason, or it is for this reason, that I think the market should reward NIO for this, what we are seeing in the market, because NIO, we have never seen NIO deliver over 20,000 vehicles on a month to month. In fact, the only time that NIO delivered 20,000 before this period, before these 3 months which we have seen, it was only last year in July. That was the first month that they delivered over 20,000 deliveries, and those deliveries, or we know during that period, what fueled NEO into delivering over 20,000 was the launch of the NT 2.0 ES6, which we saw it stealing quite a number of orders. I think for that month, ES6 alone, last year 2023 sold over 11,000 or so, over 11,000 deliveries, which is what fueled NEO into delivering over 20,000 vehicles for that model. So this year, from May, we have been seeing and we saw that NEO, it's a new company that can sell over 20,000 deliveries. The old 10,000 deliveries that we used to see is now the new 20,000 that we are seeing at the moment, which is something that is making us to see the growth that NEO has made, which therefore will mean one thing and one thing only, that is NEO this year we should brace ourselves, because I definitely think that they are going to sell over 200 vehicles from their main brand, or from just the NEO models only, which is something that is pretty exciting and we look forward to. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you those quick updates. Tell me what you think about this. What are your expectations in terms of delivery? Do you think that NEO is going to break over 20,000 again this month? Or do you think NEO is going to deliver below 20,000? Tell me what are your thoughts around this, because we are heading closer to the end of the month, and come the 1st or the 2nd of September, we are going to see those numbers coming, and boy, I must say, we are patiently waiting for those numbers to come, so that at least we see and we can get a confirmation that indeed NEO is on a road to profitability. Blue sky is coming. So tell me what you think about this. Otherwise, it is always good that you do your own DD when you are investing into this NEO stock, because it is quite volatile, therefore requires you to do some due diligence, that at least you are comfortable as you are investing into this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.